Alright, this is gonna sound insane, but I just couldn't believe myself it actually happened. I am alive. I have visited an island which was once underwater, a village with no roads, and you get around by boat, and a hidden island on a lake surrounded by forest. This is the most important thing, and it blew my mind, and I'm pretty sure it will blow yours too. I did all of these things for free. No strings attached, definitely not a clickbait, more about it in the end. Imagine this, one day a friend of you invites for a trip to the place which you always wanted to visit. Now you have this amazing opportunity to make this all happen, but sometimes you aren't just really sure of what to do. If you have done this, I feel you, but this is how I did it. Look, I'm living in Paris for almost 3 years and I've been to almost 11 countries in Europe. I've discovered I had this love for travel ever since I came here, and exploring new cultures and taking part in adventures. On top of this, I want to experience it like a local would. Only this time, the opportunity is for, wait for it, Netherlands. My travel rules. Being a traveler, not a tourist, doing it my style, that is, capturing the moment. After all these years, I decided to finally cross this one off of my bucket list. I really don't know why, but I just decided to do this exactly 6 days ago. I'm really not that type of a person because I just always plan ahead. Alright, this is what happened, and this is my effort to bring you along to this trip. Grab a popcorn and enjoy. Step 1. Create an itinerary. The rules. Itinerary must be for 3 days. I should visit at least 2 regions in the Netherlands. I spent this entire next 10 hours creating the itinerary, which I'm satisfied with. Finally, booking all the tickets. That's insane. I always do that. Without that, I just can't do it. All the tasks done. Step 2. Buy anything I need for this trip. My last vacation was to Switzerland. And in this particular trip, I just had this regret that I couldn't capture my beautiful moment from the skies, aka the drone shot. Technically, I made it happen, but from my side, I mean, you get the point. I just don't want to make this exact same mistake in this particular trip. Let's do this. Well, here's the problem. I never flown any drone in my entire life. I really don't know how to film it with a drone, even how to fly it. And I just have this next 5 days to make this all happen. Challenge accepted. The unexpected happened. Well, while I'm packing, I just realized if I'm taking this drone bag with me, in this bag, I have to fit my camera bag and my laptop inside this. Apparently, I just cannot fit everything inside. What a loser. Time to get a new bag. Well, I'm broke. I'm pretty sure it'll be worth it in the long run. Let's go. Good morning. -1 degrees outside. I have no idea how people are still biking in this cold weather.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots right.
Got off on the wrong bus stop, but able to experience this full calmness to myself. We finally found a boat. All of these are the Dutch natural reserves. There seems to be an island, a village in the middle of a forest with no roads, and you travel by boat. This is what I'm talking about.
They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
first time trying the drone above the water. To be really honest, my heart was just pounding so hard. There's this cool dog around this island. It is so cute, you know. And it is so excited to run around. And apparently the owner just told that dogs is the first time on a boat. So it's just so excited. Alpacas next to the tree house. These are literally people's home in these villages. -2 degrees Celsius here. People are biking in the fucking cold. Coffee really helps. I just completed flying the drone. Man, it's so cold. Just rode on the pathway and then just canal next to you. And it's just so peaceful. Make sure to check this village out. Flying this drone almost at a 120 meters high. This shot is kick-ass. We are back to our bus, but the place is very nice. Me with this bag, it's a lifesaver, especially with the Mavic Mini of the drone size. It fits in my palm. Definitely a good travel companion, and I was just having fun flying the drone around. There you go. I'm finally back in Paris, and that's 30 hours of video editing later. I just couldn't believe that I just learned to fly a drone with making all the cinematic moments in just 5 days. I honestly enjoyed making this video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Well, it's from the French authorities. Welcome to the tax season. When I said that I'm making this entire vacation for free, I actually meant it. I'm sending this to the French authorities. Once I got it back in 3 months, I'll make a video exactly showing how I made this so that you guys can also make a trip like this and enjoy. Hence, stay tuned. And if you like to check out my Switzerland vacation, that's right here. If you like this video, then follow me on socials here. Bye.